There are some changes to the step editor for the slice roughing operation. So there is an option where you can actually go into the slice roughing and remove overlapping slices. This is mainly for the 1i1 wheel. So when I go to the profile editor and I can see there is so many slices here using the 1i1, and if I go into the basic and say remove overlapping slices, and it will automatically remove all the overlapping slices and give you the exact or the correct number of slices required for this operation. So this is mainly commonly the case on horizontal lines in the profile where the 1i1 tightly overlaps neighboring slices, and it will remove redundant slices. The stock would be completely removed by other slices.